How to change country in Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the country in Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change the country in Amazon Prime, the easiest way to do it is to open your browser, go to www.amazon.com/mycontent. I repeat, www.amazon.com/mycontent. I will make sure to drop a direct link below, then log into your Amazon account. From here, under content and devices, simply go to this preferences tab over here. Then when you go to the preferences tab, you'll be able to see all this where it says country region settings. So you can select that. Mine is currently set to United States, so you can tap on the change option. All you have to do is simply select the new addresses, tap on update option, and it will successfully change the country across all the Amazon services, including Prime Video as well. So amazon.com/mycontent. I will make sure to drop a link below. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.